the actual way to do purchasing in real world, like in business world.
So pada saya, for this training is good for me. So for me to apply this information and also knowledge to my work, daily work lah. So I hope I can adapt this all the knowledge to my existing work sekarang ni.
I highly believe that Mr. Yeo is one of the best trainers that I've been in contact with. He has, with his vast majority of experience, he can provide a lot of input that I can apply in my working.
My feedback to the trainer, Mr. Yeo memang giving the information and based on his own experience, which is memang berlaku in the real life lah. I happy with his sharing information.
He explained clearly through truly of the topic. Hence, I have learned on how to properly negotiate with the supplier from this training. He explained clearly.
Top-notch OTC provided a very top-notch service.
For this training provider, so far I'm satisfied because in terms of the material yang dia bagi tu dan juga tempat yang dia provide tu memang okay for me lah.
Personally, I think OTC service is good because they provide good service through this training. So, thank you.